Hey guys, I got gifted this 12 by 12 inch electric skillet, 1500 watts of cooking power. This model TXG031A. It says it has cool touch handles. We're going to put that to the test. Let's get it opened up and check it out. There's a operation instruction guide here. It's like a little warranty card. And a nice heavy lid. There's the little vent hole right here. Our power source. There's your thermostat control knob right here. And our skillet itself. It is PTFE and PFOA free. Use it to clean up and safe design. It's 5.28 quarts on the underside here. It is a coated aluminum. Nice feeling handles. They are plastic, but it's a good heavy plastic. Should last you quite a while. Plug this in like this here, and you'll be ready to cook. It does have a nice finish on it. I do like that. Really nice looking. But what's important is how quick it heats up and how well it cooks. We're going to try it out and find out. So let's go to the kitchen. I'm just kind of curious as to how long this cord is. Also, if you notice, I got my vegetable oil out. It says that you're supposed to lightly cover this skillet and then heat it at 150 and then let it cool off and wipe off the excess oil before your first usage. So that cord is a 3-foot cord. We'll get this thing coated with vegetable oil and then heat it up, we'll wipe it out, and then we'll get to cooking. And by the way, you can fry in this, but it says to only use up to 1 cup of vegetable oil. You don't want to deep fry in it. You know, might spill out. Would not be a good day. We'll let it heat up, and then I'll check back with you. Well, it heats up quick. Well, we're getting a little more than 150. Number 2 is putting it right at 200 and... I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not. It's kind of got the oval circle. I guess that's where the heating coil is. Right in the center, we are at 194 degrees. And that is on number 2. So we definitely have it at 150. There on that ring where it's really getting hot. That's at 325. Pretty warm. That was on number 2. So the lower the number, the lower the temperature. Y'all probably knew that. I didn't, but I know now. Okay, I did want to mention something right quick. It is made out of aluminum for heat distribution. The coating is a titanium ceramic nonstick coating that is copper colored. Alrighty, let's get to cooking. Got a big old ham steak right here. Oh yeah. Now I do have this set on the lowest setting. Now we can cook it with the lid on or off, just whichever way you'd like. You'll be able to move it around too. Just hold it by the handles. They're not hot at all. I'm noticing, I guess it cooks in pulses. I guess they all do that. I'm not real sure. Because you can hear it start sizzling, then it stops. And I guess it heats back up and starts sizzling again. But it's definitely getting her cooked. Well, there it is, folks. Not much else to say about it. It definitely gets the job done. I like it. If you'd like to order one of these for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, if you like kitchen products, I'm going to put a link to a playlist full of review videos like this down in the description. So you can check those out too. If you got any value at all out of the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.